In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube account on phone. So once you're on your phone, you'll have to go for and look for YouTube. So let me an example and go and look for YouTube in here. So it seems like I don't have it downloaded. You can go and enter it, of course, through the browser if you want to. So here we are, I just downloaded that. As an example, what you'll have to know first is simply you cannot delete only your YouTube channel. You're deleting the whole Google account, or just like the channel linked to it. So first of all, you have some options. For me, let me just go and sign in with my Google accounts. As an example, I do have here my account, so let me just go and sign in with it. As I said before, deleting or trying to delete your YouTube channel or your YouTube account means that you are going to delete your Google account as well, because YouTube just connects with Google. That's how the way it is. Of course, you can go and delete your channel specifically if you want to. That's not what it's about. So now, as an example, I'm logged in. As we said, you can go and delete your account if you want to. So you can go to your channel, as example, in here, and you'll be able to delete the exact channel if you want to, just this channel. So now, as we said, we want to delete our YouTube. So to do so, you'll need to go to your Google account. So you can just go to any browser example that you have and go to the URL section and make sure to type myaccount.google.com. Go and hit the enter button. Make sure that you're logged in. Of course, you'll have to go and click on manage data and privacy. And here, as example, you'll have to look for more options. Or yeah, we are in the browser, I guess no need for more options. Just keep scrolling because you have everything here. And as you can see, you'll find delete your Google account. So you can go and click on that example, and you'll have to read this carefully. If you agree, just go and check everything in here. They'll show you what's gonna get deleted with everything. Just go and check everything and then click on delete an account, and your YouTube account will be deleted within or with your Google account. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.